Hey guys, welcome back. So on Monday we finally got the track loader back from the repair shop, and so the first thing I did Monday evening after we got that back was I headed up on the hill and worked on dragging out some of those cedars out of the piles, because the guy who wanted these cedar posts has been waiting very patiently for quite a while now on those. So I wanted to get that wrapped up, get those ready for him so he could pick those up. I also found out the tolerances between points that I can attach the action camera to the track loader and where the arms move are pretty tight. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of figuring on a new place to attach that, because that did not work very well with the spot I found to hook that on there. So after that, I went ahead and worked on milling up the center 6x6 that's going to be on the upper level here. It's going to be over top of the center span, and that'll be supporting the center ridge beam across there. I got that milled up, got it cut to length, and then got it up on the upper level there. And today, first thing we're gonna get that upright, put in place. Then from whatever video it was, I'd already notched some of these boards that are gonna go along there, so we can go ahead and throw those up. Those are ready to go. Get those hooked up, and hopefully today we'll be able to knock out getting that center ridge beam across there. Alright, so we are almost done with putting in this ridge beam here. I've got 3 pieces left to put in. I've got 2 8-foots and 1 12-foot, and unfortunately I don't have that much wood up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head down And we're gonna sort through our offcuts down through here. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll have like a 2-inch thick slab that I need to cut off in order to get down to the cant size that I want. And so I'll just cut that off, I'll throw it off to the side over in back the mill there and continue cutting. So I'm gonna sort through the stuff down there, see if I've got anything that'll work to mill out the last few 2x6s that I need. So right as I was getting ready to start milling up those pieces into 2x6s, it kind of dawned on me that I had a whole pile of stuff over here, just random odds and ends of stuff from when I'd be cutting for other size wood and I'd get some other random boards. And so I came over here and I sorted through it and got everything separated out and found out I had quite a few 2x6s over here. So I got those loaded onto the track loader. We'll put those up into the loft and we can cut our boards from those. All of the ridge beams are in. Oh, I didn't think we were ever gonna get done with these things. They've taken forever. So tomorrow we're gonna be back out here again and we're gonna work on framing in the end of the shed here where that opening's gonna go, where we can use like the loader to put stuff in there. We're gonna get that in there, and which also means that we're gonna put on the first rafters. They're gonna go across there and they're gonna tie in to the framing for this opening. Alrighty guys, look at that. We got the first 2 rafters up and we got our post in there and there, and that's going to be on either side of our loading opening here on the end. So this was kind of a tricky end to do because we had that weird opening down there. Hopefully from here on out we should just be able to knock out the rest of these rafters fairly easily because I've got the measurements down, the angles figured out, all that done. So we should just be able to go through and, I think, get these done pretty quick. However, it's the end of the week, so this is all we're gonna get done for this video. Next week we'll start working on putting the rest of these rafters up. Don't know how many we'll get done, but I guess we'll both find out next week. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.